This male Siberian Husky is exploring the ever-changing landscape of his backyard. With the highs and lows of spring temperatures in Vermont, his yard is now an icy landscape covered in crystal-like tree branches and crunching snow. A tall balsam fir tree catches his attention. The branches, weighed down by snow and ice, create a magical tent for the dogs to explore. Their senses are overwhelmed as they smell a familiar aroma of Christmas. He doesn't know it yet, but in a matter of hours, rising temperatures will melt away the last of his winter wonderland.